Well, I wrote all night, from early afternoon until the morning light. It seems I didn't have that much to say, so I tore up the words and I threw them away. And it's all right, standing in the middle. I'm so tight, just need to loosen up a little. Yes, so right, I can't afford to lose a single day. And it makes no sense. How can you talk so relaxed and still be so tense? You're never really in the mood, but you want it so bad because it feels so good.